Bonjour Amelia, j'espère que tu vas bien. I'm sorry about yesterday, computer was not responding, so we're going to have the session this evening, so don't worry about that, it's confirmed. And we have the tamales guy coming in the street, so anyway, so it's right on time, good timing. Anyways, so what we did the last time, we tried to review the negation, to review a bunch of stuff. So let me just try to get back. So this was the last time, and the time before, I want to show you. I'm gonna just summarize as much as I can. Okay, so don't worry, we're not gonna do a lot of stuff. So I'll do some of the pictures of your goose. It's beautiful, and you have beautiful wooden floor. I have tiles here. Uh, it's good, but it's not. It gets really dirty very quickly. Anyways, okay, so let me just get back to the beginning. So we went through a lot of comic books, French comic books, just to show you, that the French culture is not just all about fashion, food, and stuff like that. And we also have the literature and comic books. It's just part of the culture. Uh, it's a great way to also learn some vocabulary. Gets a bit complex because expressions can be a bit hard to understand, but anyways. So this link is where you can download all the comic books in French and in English. Okay, so and this is Les Schtroumpfs Noirs. Okay, it's from 1963, 1953, et c'est le volume 1. Okay. Normally, la couleur, c'est quoi la couleur normale d'un schtroumpf? C'est bleu. Alors un schtroumpf est bleu. Okay. Les champignons, ils vivent dans des champignons. Et we could see on the comic book, there is a map, they explain everything. The introduction is it's well done. Far, c'est loin. Okay. Proche, it's close. So Tintin, there is also Tintin. You have the French version, the English version. Is No Good. It's another comic book. This is a story of a vizier, and he wants to become the caliph. Okay. And okay, we have Lucky Luke. Lucky Luke is very nice. Concerning the American comic books, I'm very picky. I don't really like too much the superheroes. It's fine, but it's not really entertaining to me. And I like Neil Gaiman. Les Invisibles, The Invisible, I think it's Kenneth Grant. And Neil Gaiman also wrote American Gods. It's very nice. Okay, so let me see if I can open it on a different window. Okay. This is here. It's gonna come up. So, contenu n'est plus disponible. The content is no longer available. Great. This is wonderful. They like to change, but it's fine. Okay. And je ne sais pas. I don't know. Je sais pas. It's a, not a slang, but it's like informal, very informal. Je sais pas. Don't know. And we were talking about the pesticides. On the link I was supposed to open, which is no longer available, it was about the pesticides. We saw some pictures and we could, recognize the pesticide. Les pesticides. Okay? Be careful of there is, there are, il y a des pesticides. Ou ce sont des pesticides. They are pesticides. C'est singular, ce sont pluriel. Ne pas is a regular negation in French. On peut pas. We can omit the ne, but I don't recommend you to do that at school because they can consider it's not how can I say, it's not correct. On ne peut pas. So this is the correct way. Ne pas. On ne peut pas. We surround the verb with ne pas. Okay. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Je comprends pas. Very informal. Les pesticides sur la nourriture. So, we talked briefly about organic food. In French, we say organique, we say biologique. Okay, la nourriture bio ou la nourriture biologique. Okay. J'achète des légumes bio. So I buy organic vegetables. J'achète tous les fruits bio. ok? Et parfois, sometimes, j'achète des produits bio. So sometimes I buy organic products. Okay. What you can do with you can buy non-biologic, non-organic foods as long as you have a skin, comme les avocats, avocados, bananas, les fraises, strawberries. Okay. Nous demandons à l'ami de ma mère des mûres, so we ask the friend of your mother some blackberries. Very easy to grow, by the way. The blackberry bush is le mûrier, and the fruit is la mûre, une mûre ou des mûres. So every time you have the tree name, you're gonna have the IER ending, le citronnier for the lemon tree, le pommier for the apple tree. Okay. C'est presque mort, it's almost dead. En c'était presque mort, it was almost dead. So the thing, your mom found this tree and it was almost dead and she saved it. So elle a sauvé la vie de cette plante. She saved the life of this plant. Okay. So next, the last time, okay, we talked about that. Okay. The passive tense, you're gonna have to go through that as well, you know. Elle a mangé le gâteau. Le gâteau a été mangé par elle. So we just reverse the position of the complement with the subject. So we have the subject, complement. Elle a mangé le gâteau. She ate the cake. And we reverse the position. Le gâteau a été mangé par elle. The cake was eaten by her. Okay. So we saw also a video. Let me just open it quickly. I hope it's gonna work. It should be here. It's very slow. Je vois le ciel. I see the sky. Qu'est-ce que tu vois? What do you see? Je vois le village. I see the village. Les nuages blancs. White clouds. Je vois des arbres. I see trees. C'est certainement une forêt. It's certainly a forest. Okay. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? What is he doing? Il mange. Il mange un sanglier. He's eating a boar. So this is for the passive, so we don't need that because I explained very, very quickly. We just reverse the position of the complement with the subject. Okay. So, as I said, I'm summarizing a lot. Just let me check this link now. Okay, there we go. And we also talked about Françoise Dolto. She was a feminist, but she had some interesting ideas, but not all her ideas were very interesting. Okay, so very elitist female writer. And we're gonna go through that as well. I'm just waiting. Okay. So the tree house, les maisons qui sont construites dans l'arbre. I think mostly you can find them in Oregon, which is not far from California. Bonjour de France, incompréhension. Hop. It's here. I hope it's available. La crise de l'adolescence. Alors, la crise de l'adolescence, the teenage crisis. And it's here. That's a text. La crise de l'adolescence, qu'est-ce que c'est? En plus de modifier le comportement des enfants, l'adolescence change leur relation avec leurs parents jusqu'à établir un climat d'incompréhension, de conflit et de tension, souvent difficile à vivre des deux côtés. So, teenagers, they tend to have a different relationship with their parents to the point of creating a climate of, an understanding in a sense. People, the parents and their kids don't understand each other. It's a common thing, but it's not, there are exceptions, of course. Conflict, tension, often difficult to live for each side. Okay. Adolescence, période de mue, Période de mue is when you change your skin and you become, it's like the snake, changing the skin. Période de mue. Le complexe du homard. Homard is a lobster, the complex of the lobster. Voilà la définition que la psychanalyste Françoise Dolto a donnée à l'adolescence. So this is a definition, the meaning or definition of the given by Françoise Dolto for the teenage years. Une période où l'enfant se défait de sa carapace, a period where, when, we say where in French, but when the kid will get rid of his shell, soudain étroite, so suddenly narrow, pour en acquérir une autre, to acquire another one. Entre les deux, il est vulnérable. So between this period, and before, he is very vulnerable, very sensitive, very aggressive, and close-minded, a bit replié sur soi. Il subit une mue, souvent presque comme une période de déséquilibre. So he's facing this kind of period where he's going to shade, and this period is often perceived as a period of unbalance, or an unbalanced period. Il quitte un monde d'enfants, so he leaves or she leaves a world of infant, of the childhood, basically, to enter the world of the adult world, pour entrer dans le monde adulte, encore en construction, still in construction, or under construction, sorry. L'entrée dans le monde de l'adolescence est marquée par la puberté. The entrance of the world of the teenage world is marked basically by the puberty, période où de nombreux changements physiques, apparition de poils, seins qui se développent, sexuels, psychologiques. So this is a period where you have a lot of changes, physically and also mentally. Okay? Mais si le dénominateur commun reste le changement, chaque ado le manifeste à sa façon. So the common denominator is a change, but every teenager will face this period differently. Rencontre de plusieurs types. So rencontre is a meeting of different types. Françoise Rougeul, professeure émérite de psychologie, fait une incursion dans le monde adolescent dans son ouvrage Comprendre la crise d'adolescence. Elle distingue 5 types d'adolescents. So there's Françoise Rougeul, she's a psychologist, and she's going to explain what is a teenager, and in a book. And she distinguishes 5 types of teenagers. Le rebelle will rebel against everything, okay? Il affectionne les comportements à risque. Le fantôme, the second type, the ghost, qui se livre à des activités sur lesquelles il garde un secret jaloux, so it's very, very secretive. L'ermite, qui se coupe non seulement de sa famille, mais aussi de ses amis, so the one who's gonna just shut down and cut his relationship with his family, but also friends. Il passe le plus clair de son temps dans sa chambre, souvent à écouter de la musique, so he likes to spend all his time in his bedroom, to listen to music. Le rêveur, the dreamer, qui s'isole de sa famille et de ses amis pour vivre dans un monde imaginaire, so he's gonna live in a dream world. L'enfant sage, the nice child, quant à lui, ne présente aucun de ses comportements. Il grandit en gardant le comportement qu'il avait enfant. So he's gonna grow, but he will not show any different behaviors and will just behave like a normal child. Okay? So this is what we did. Okay? And we went through also the questions. So, il s'agit d'un texte narratif. Dans le texte, on cite un livre de psychologie, de sociologie. So they were a bit hard. So no need to go through that because I explained everything, but it was a bit hard to go through this stuff, okay? La crise d'adolescence, qu'est-ce que c'est? So we focused essentially on teenagers, okay? And I told you about INA. This is a place where you can find a lot of old French videos, not movies, but videos from the TV. And very interesting. It's not always free, but you can find a lot of free stuff. And we talked about Coluche. Coluche is a French comedian. Okay, so there is like a stand-up. He was a stand-up comedian as well. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes dimanche. So today we are Sunday. This is what we say in French. We are, or but in English would be today it's Sunday. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire demain lundi? What are you going to do tomorrow? Monday, on Monday. Je ne vais pas à l'école. I'm not going to school. Je vais aller au cinéma. I'm going to the cinema. Je vais faire du cheval. I'm gonna do horse riding. Je vais jouer au golf. I'm gonna play golf. Qu'est-ce que tu vas voir? Je vais voir Dunkerque. Dunkerque. J'ai regardé Ghost in the Shell. I watched Ghost in the Shell. We need to review the past tenses to make sure everything is understood. J'ai bien aimé. I liked it well. I mean, it was not exceptional, but I liked it. Quels sont les films disponibles au cinéma maintenant? What are the movies available at the movie theater now? Il y en a beaucoup. There are many. Too many. Il y en a trop. J'aime les films de science-fiction. I like the science fiction movies. Sci-fi. Qu'est-ce que tu connais? Est-ce que tu connais The Twilight Zone? Do you know Twilight Zone? Je connais. J'ai bien aimé. So we talked about 2 different episodes. To serve men. Really weird. And I knew the one you were talking about as well. And I don't like too much the new ones. So they have a different flavor, basically. Une bande-annonce is a trailer. Est-ce que tes parents aiment regarder des films ou des émissions avec toi? Do your parents like watching movies or shows with you? Qu'est-ce que ta mère aime regarder? Elle aime regarder les drames coréens. What does your mom like watching? She likes watching Korean drama. Et ton père, qu'est-ce qu'il aime regarder? And your father, what does he like watching? Il écoute la radio. He listens to the radio. C'est tout ce qu'il fait. It's all he does. Yes. Liberty Land is where you can watch a lot of movies. Be careful of the ads. I have a pop-up block add-on, sorry. And so I don't have to go through all the stuff, but be careful, okay? So you can see Lucky Luke, Astérix, Il était une fois l'homme, or Il était une fois la vie, 200 very nice shows, 200 animations. Et la 4e dimension, okay, comment servir l'homme, how to serve man. J'ai seulement mangé un sandwich, I only ate a sandwich. Okay. And going through the last lesson, il y a beaucoup d'adolescents qui utilisent les médias sociaux. There are many teenagers who use social media. Tu as un portable? Do you have a cell phone? Est-ce que tu fais toujours des vidéos? Do you still make videos? Tes animations or animations? You said you took a break with that, but you are talented, so I would say, don't give up, don't stop that. It's very nicely done. Huh? All the stuff you showed me were really nice. Est-ce que tu passes de bonnes vacances? Are you spending some good vacations? That's what we mean in French. Or do you have a good vacation in a sense? Oui, je passe de bonnes vacances. Vacances like that. Est-ce que tu joues au golf durant la semaine? Do you play golf during the week? Le week-end, la fin de la semaine. Pourquoi tu ne joues pas au golf? Je suis paresseuse, I'm lazy. Est-ce que tu joues encore du piano? Do you still play piano? Est-ce que tu prends des cours de piano? Do you take piano courses? Lessons? Je ne prends pas de cours de piano. Tu apprécies le piano? Do you appreciate piano? Ce n'est pas trop difficile? It's a question. Is it not too difficult? Et qu'est-ce que tu sais jouer au piano? Je sais jouer. So you were talking about different things here. There's a video you showed me. Ah, yeah, that's what the thing you were telling me about what you know on the piano. Est-ce que tu vas souvent chez le docteur? Do you often go to the doctor? Je ne vais pas souvent chez le docteur. I don't often go to the doctor. So to the doctor, chez le, because it's a person's place. Okay? Pas souvent, not often. Est-ce que tu as déjà été à l'hôpital? Have you ever been to the hospital? J'ai déjà été à l'hôpital. I have already been to the hospital. Combien de fois? Not too often, hein? Mais je n'aime pas les hôpitaux. I don't like hospitals. Who likes going there? Tomber malade is to fall sick or to get sick. Okay? We can also use this same expression to fall in love, tomber amoureux, tomber enceinte, to get pregnant. So be careful because we have the same verb in French, but it's not necessarily the same translation in English. To get sick, to fall in love, to get pregnant. Okay? So we saw these expressions right here. Avoir, mettre du cœur au ventre. Avoir, mettre du cœur au ventre. It's like when you want to invest a lot of energy. When you are motivated, you are fascinated by something, a subject or a domain. Okay? Est-ce que tu as déjà pratiqué les arts martiaux? Have you ever practiced martial arts? J'ai déjà pratiqué les arts martiaux. I've already practiced martial arts. Lesquels? Which ones? Quand j'étais petite, je pratiquais le taekwondo. Quel âge tu avais? How old were you? 6 ans. J'avais 6 ans. Je n'ai jamais pratiqué le karaté. So it's another kind of negation here. Instead of saying ne pas, I'm saying ne jamais. And the verb starts with a vowel. So I'm going to have an apostrophe. Je n'ai jamais pratiqué le karaté. I've never practiced karate. Okay. The emoticons, we went through that as well. Okay. And let me just finish. Quel est le dernier film que tu as vu? What is the last movie you've seen? C'était Spider-Man. Spider-Man, but in French we say Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Est-ce que tu as déjà vu Doctor Strange, Iron Man, Captain America, les films de super-héros, comme ci, comme ça. Yeah, you know, it's entertaining, but not much. J'aime en particulier Iron Man. I like in particular Iron Man, or especially Iron Man. Est-ce qu'il y a un genre de film que tu préfères? There like a movie gender that you prefer? Style, if you want. Je préfère les films d'horreur. I used to, but not anymore. So I prefer horror movies. Et quoi d'autre? Les fictions, les films de science-fiction, les Star Trek, les Star Wars. Okay. There's one I recommend you to watch is Battlestar Galactica. Westworld, you told me to watch it and, you know, I got hooked very quickly. Lucky Luke, Asterix, Les Schtroumpfs is no good. Caillou. Caillou is like for small kids, but it's nice because you can learn a lot of stuff very quickly. And so that was yesterday. I had my problem with my computer. You're gonna see my computer is slow, so bear with me. And so I'll see you at 9, okay? And hopefully we can review some stuff and we can talk about your goose if you want, okay? You have a nice afternoon and I'll talk to you very soon.